Let's recap what we learned in this section of the course. First, we installed and set up Visual Studio, the IDE that we will use to write C++ code. Then we learned how to create a C++ file, which is a file with a .cpp file extension. Next, we wrote our first C++ program, Hello World. After that, we got a look at some of the key features of C++. Next came a coding exercise, which tested our ability to code a Hello World program in C++ to ensure that you retained the knowledge taught so far. After each coding exercise in this course is a video containing the answer to it and explaining the solution step by step. Next, we learned about the history of C++, some of the key milestones of the language over the years. Finally, we learned how to run C++ code from the command line.